What is up, Elixiers? Welcome back. Let's proceed with our nutrition label. Step 21. Let's give our H1 element a class set to bold. It will make our text even bolder. Step 22. Now it's time to give horizontal spacing between serving size and its value. So let's wrap the value in a span element. Step 23. Now here's where we use Flex. In our paragraph selector, let's add a display element set to Flex and a justify content property set to space between. Now you can clearly see the spacing. Step 24. It's time to wrap everything within the label class element in a new header element. Step 25. We gotta change H1 selector to be header H1 selector to target H1 within header. Step 26. Now we need to create another division element below our header element and give it a class set to divider large. Step 27. Now we gotta style large divider. Firstly, create a new large class selector and give it a height property set to 10 pixels. Next, we gotta create large and medium selector and set its background color property to black. Step 28. We gotta remove border from the large and medium selector by giving it a value of 0. We haven't utilized medium class yet. We're gonna use it for thinner bars later. Step 29. Let's create a new division element below our large element and give it a class of calories info. Step 30. Let's create another new division element within our calories info element and give it a class of left container. And within left container, create an H2 element with the text set to amount per serving. Don't forget to give our H2 element a class set to bold small text. Alright, that was all for today, folks. Hope you like, share, comment on my videos. Do subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any updates. Stay tuned for further steps and chapters. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.